How to unlock debit card on Capital One Bank app. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about unlocking your debit card through the Capital One Bank app. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Capital One Bank app on your mobile device, and note that the steps might slightly change due to the updates in the app's interface. You have to open the Capital One mobile app first on your device and sign in and go to your account settings to manage your debit card. Then you have to find the card services or the similar option in the settings. Choose the lock or unlock card in the card services menu and verify the identity through the username, password, or biometric authentication. Unlock your debit card by selecting the relevant option and confirm your decision and get a confirmation message in the app. And also test the card by making transactions and reach out to the Capital One customer support if needed. So this is how you can unlock your debit card using the Capital One Bank app. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.